We go together, it's all I know. Side by side is how we grow, hand in hand. Through these times, we'll fall and rise.
It is May 13th and we are on the trail again. We're gonna go southbound on the Fuller Ridge Trail. And we just took an hour to get to this trailhead from Idlewild. It was the bumpiest, clumpiest road. But this is gonna be the perfect day. I can feel it. We've been on the trail about half a mile, and I'm just going to take a little video of trail, like beginning, middle, and end, and anything else cool I see in between. But we're in it to win it today. We're not going to dilly-dally, right?
Right.
And there's a big rock. Coming up to Castle Rocks and Fuller Ridge, and it doesn't get much better than this. We've passed 4 through hikers already. Oh yeah, the arch, the famous arch that you see on everyone's, you should walk through it. Dun, dun, dun.
We got both sides?
Yeah. Hazy. Castle Rocks. Look at that giant. That's half marine layer out there, and it's not all smog. That's where we came from. And we have to go up here. We're over 9,000 feet. Follow the Karen. You didn't follow that Karen. The PCT hiker dream. A beautiful, nice snow melt water source. Splashing down, easy to get, clear and clean. Oh yeah. Right across the trail and down. Oh yeah, I see fun things up ahead. It's a pretty spectacular hike. Look what some cool trail gorilla made. A little escalator for us. It's Makeup Miles. Go! So on our last big PCT hike that was from Phoebe Saddle down Saddle Junction, down Devil's Spine, Doug, we got separated and he kind of lost the trail. And he thought he would just hop through some of these briar patches and get over to a little trail. But he tripped and he fell down backwards and he couldn't get up because they are so sharp. They just poke you to death. So I wasn't there to see it, or I wish I would have gotten it on camera. It would have been really great. So by the time I found him, he came staggering out and his one arm was all dripping blood. And we went on with our hike. And then as we're going down to Humber Park, I said, you still have the fob? Because our trail angel took us to the trailhead at Phoebe Saddle, then drove our truck back. He kept the key, locked it in the truck, and we kept the fob. So he says, yeah, I got it. It's in my pocket. And he felt his pocket and it wasn't there. So we think it was in the briar patch. And we weren't going to go back and find it. So we just called AAA. There was one little spot going down the hill where we could get through to AAA. And they just put us on hold forever. So he finally called our trail angel. And our trail angel knew the AAA guy in Idlewild. And by the time I got down to the parking lot, the AAA guy was breaking into the truck and all was well. And you can order a new fob on Amazon. But wow, don't put your key in a pocket and not zip it up. Lesson learned. Look at that cool tree.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that something? There's the other half of the blowdown. It's been down for a while, but boy, that took some chainsaw. The rocks are still wedged in the roots. Tahquitz Peak is over there. We can see with the naked eye the fire lookout that they don't use anymore. And here are the blooming manzanita all over this hillside. We're still making our way up to the steepest part of our hike. So go down in there. I think you're going down Devil's Slide. How hard could this be? We're almost done. What a beautiful hike. What beautiful, humongous trees. We think we have to go up maybe to the top of there and over and then down around the backside into Saddle Junction, because that would make sense.
Feels great to sit down.
So we did have to come all the way to the top of those rocks that we saw. And here we're on the crest, and now we're gonna start going down and around. Well, we're on the east side of the mountain, and we are downhilling it all the way to Saddle Junction and Humber Park. And here's a gigantic tree. We've seen a lot of them. Now we're coming around to the west side again. Oh yeah, so pretty. And we're just moseying on down because it's a great trail. It's downhill. We don't have to have our breath taken away. And there's a lovely breeze.
Change the way I feel about you.
We made it to Saddle Junction. We came from up there. And there's all kinds of trails that you can go to a lot of different places. And there's all kinds of beautiful overlooks. And we just get to go all the way downhill to our car, about 2.5 miles. It was really fun, and I'm not taking any more photos. I've done it before. This was a 10 of a hike, and It's in the top 3 of all the section hikes we've done from Campo to here. So we were clear over there and came around and went into the saddle up there around the back of this mountain and then came out at Saddle Junction.
It's how we grow hand in hand.
It's pretty amazing.
Through these times we'll fall in.
So I think I can see where our trail was. If I could just find my finger on here. Hello, camera. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's hard. Okay, so right along there, I think we hiked, and then we came along. And then we had to go up into that little dip, and then around the back side, because there's no way to get past all those rocks. So, that wasn't even long ago. Man!
Well, another 10, wasn't it?
Another 10.